Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most advanced luxury rigs ever built, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 RV. And I promise you, this is not your ordinary motorhome. This machine is designed for people who don't want to compromise when they hit the road. From the second you step inside, it feels less like a truck and more like a high-end penthouse apartment with space, luxury, and technology blended together in a way that makes it clear this is the future of RV living. Let's start with the kitchen, because this is where the T2000 really sets itself apart from other RVs. Instead of a compact little galley squeezed into a corner, what you get here is a double kitchen setup that feels like it belongs in a luxury home. There are two separate cooking zones, both equipped with modern induction cooktops, convection ovens, and even a built-in smart microwave. The countertops are finished in smooth quartz that not only looks beautiful but is also durable for heavy use. And there's no shortage of space with double sinks, hidden cabinets, and an incredible amount of storage cleverly tucked away. The smart refrigerator is a highlight. It can keep track of your groceries, suggest recipes, and even notify you when you're running low on essentials. Add to that a dishwasher, under cabinet lighting, and a sleek wine cooler, and you have a kitchen that feels like it belongs in a luxury condo, not an RV. This is a space where cooking doesn't feel like a compromise, but an absolute joy, whether you're parked by the beach or camped high in the mountains. When you move into the bedroom, the luxury continues, and it's clear that Kenworth wanted to make sure comfort comes first. The T2000 RV features double bedrooms, each designed to maximize privacy and relaxation. Both rooms come with queen-size beds fitted with plush memory foam mattresses that adjust for firmness at the touch of a button, ensuring you always get a perfect night's sleep. The walls are lined with rich wooden panels, soft touch finishes, and carefully placed ambient lighting that sets the mood, whether you're winding down after a long day or just relaxing in bed with a good book. Each bedroom has large panoramic windows that let in natural light and give you breathtaking views of wherever you've parked. And with blackout shades, you can shut out the world whenever you want. There's more storage here than you'd ever expect in an RV, with wardrobes, drawers, and hidden compartments for your belongings. And each bedroom even has its own entertainment system built right in. Whether you're traveling as a couple, a family, or with friends, the double bedroom layout makes sure that everyone has their own private retreat on the road. The bathroom setup inside the 2026 Kenworth T2000 RV is nothing short of extraordinary and pushes the boundaries of what RV bathrooms can be. Instead of a single cramped wet bath, this RV gives you two full-size bathrooms, each equipped with spa-level features. Imagine stepping onto heated floors on a chilly morning, or looking into a smart mirror that not only lights up but also displays the weather forecast and your travel schedule for the day. The showers are full-sized and feature rainfall shower heads, handheld sprayers, and even a steam function to give you a spa experience wherever you're parked. Each bathroom has elegant vanities with stone countertops, premium faucets, and plenty of storage for toiletries. One bathroom can easily serve as the guest bath, while the other becomes your private retreat, making life on the road more convenient and comfortable than ever before. The design is so modern and upscale, it feels more like stepping into a luxury hotel suite than being inside an RV. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 RV is more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling mansion that combines comfort, style, and practicality in ways most RVs can only dream of. From the double kitchen that makes cooking a luxury experience, to the double bedrooms that offer true privacy, and the spa-like double bathrooms that bring hotel-quality living to the open road, this is truly the future of RV living. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, long-term travel, or just want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing luxury, this RV delivers it all. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Kenworth T2000 RV, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more amazing reviews, and leave a comment telling me what feature impressed you the most. Your support helps me bring you more incredible content, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.